Pointer in C++. In C++, a pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. Pointers allow you to manipulate data indirectly by accessing and modifying the memory location of the variable they point to. To declare a pointer in C++, you use the asterisk symbol. For example, to declare a pointer to an integer variable, you would use the following syntax. Int ptr. This declares a pointer named ptr that can point to an integer variable. To assign the memory address of a variable to a pointer, you use the address of operator, AND. For example, if you have an integer variable named num, you can assign its memory address to ptr like this. Int num equals 42, int ptr equals and num. Now ptr points to the memory address of num. To access the value of the variable that ptr points to, you use the dereference operator, asterisk. For example, to print the value of num using ptr, you would do the following. Q less than asterisk ptr. This outputs the value of num, which is 42 in this case, to the console. You can also modify the value of the variable that ptr points to by dereferencing it and assigning a new value. For example, to set the value of num to 10 using ptr, you would do the following. Now num has been updated to 10. I hope that helps.